As the open doesn't surge us higher, I'm cautious of us trading in a range today, Randy. What do you think?
Yeah, I agree. I'm looking at all sides of it. I'm looking at this, still wanting to make another leg down. I'm looking at this so price rejected off 6,600, as you can see. Once that, what happened at 4:30 or 7:30 in the morning? Was there some sort of earnings or something that came out where you had this big candle?
It was news from a Fed president, Fed Williams, and he said, well, first they cut the percentage odds of a rate cut. So the rate cut odds are decreasing. And then Fed Williams said, I see room for a near-term rate cut, which is bullish. So then he's coming back, walking that back a little bit, right? Saying, okay, we could cut it. And then he said inflation progress has stalled, but should be on track for 2% in 2027. That was the comment this morning on Financial News.
I see that. I got that.
Yeah. So
so price basically, I have previous day's point of control at 6,600, and you can see price failed to take that level. So
it's overnight highs too. But what's contradicting to me is these orders above on Bookmap.
Yeah, up at 6,610 and 6,600.
Mm-hmm. And 6,630 and 6,645 and 6,650. Yeah,
I didn't even zoom out that much.
You got to zoom out. They go way up today.
Yeah, 6,650. Interesting.
Yep. Any updates on when top one will have trade of 8? Yes, it is coming. So the top one sale starts today, 57.5% off. I think it started last night. The trade of 8 announcement that I've been telling you guys about, maybe shouldn't be, but I still am. It's today or tomorrow. They're just finishing up final tests. It's today or tomorrow. So if you're waiting, the sale is going to be extended. You'll still be able to buy trade of 8 accounts at 57.5% off if you don't want to trade on Project X. Quick of the summaries of things probably was really helpful getting overview. Yeah. Okay. AJ, since you said that, let's go over the trades from yesterday and then we'll bring Tanner on and then we'll kick this thing off. Maybe we come down off 6,600, see if this overnight VWAP wants to hold. Stocks, Google's up 2.8. NVIDIA's down, but maybe finding a little bit of a bounce here. Microsoft sideways, Meta's up, Amazon's coming down, and Apple's up. Apple's at 268 right now. So Mag 7 mixed bag. You can see Mag 7 index is sideways. Randy, one more thing before we go over yesterday. Dude, look at my Bitcoin short yesterday. 91,000. It dropped to 81. I would have passed that entire breakout challenge if I held that trade. I closed it for like $1,800 yesterday.
Well, good for you, man. That's
I'm a crypto boy now. Fuck what you heard.
That's what I mean. So you can't be bummed out about the short that you took the small loss for on the futures contracts.
Well, let's go over this. It's a really, really good day, everybody. So focus in with me here. Give me 4 minutes until the opening range is set, and I will summarize all of these trades, and I think you guys will find a lot of value in this.
We have news in 4 minutes too, everyone, guys. We got PMI at 9:45, US S&P manufacturing PMI and composite PMI. So
perfect. Let's bring Tanner in too. What's up, buddy? Good morning.
What up?
Good morning.
What's happening, Tanner?
How we doing?
Tanner, you're gonna love this, buddy. You're just gonna love this.
Tanner's gonna love it because we were on the opposite side of the trade, both of us. So it's good. It'll be a good review.
So first trade I took yesterday, I got short at 10:10 in the morning as we broke New York VWAP. I felt like first break of opening range high fails. Cool. That's not going to run all day. I'm short here with a stop just above those highs in case they want to get tested. They did. That short did not continue. I was in at 67.67 and I closed it 10 points higher right here for a small loss. Because if you're here on ASFX TV, you know this is a great place to be looking for longs. If we bounce off opening range high in New York VWAP, higher highs, higher lows, I'm going to be like, God damn it. That was the easy exit to save me the full loss. I should be long now. So I get out. I just take the small loss. I go down 158 on the day. Nothing bad. Then it ends up doing this. Sucking lower. Just sucking lower.
Flush,
everybody
dude.
makes money short. So what do, Randy? Now at 11:45 after stream and everything like that, I come in and I try to make some money back, recover that loss because I'm down at this point on that first trade 158. Buy this thing, smoked, bro. Look at this. Fucking rolled me.
Not yesterday, dude. Yesterday was straight to
me yesterday. Wait, oh, dude, this is gonna get good. So that rolled me. Now I'm down. I go from 158 down to minus 600, 592. Okay, max loss is 1,000, and these accounts are within a day of payout, Tanner. So I'm down 592 now. Then I tried again, but I flip and I short it. So I'm short now at 60 and I get out of this at like 40. I'm like, damn, this is 20 points. This is crazy. I'm like, I don't know what's going on. I can't hold this. Like mental fatigue is just kicking in. Now I'm all over the place. But do I stop? No, I'm down 487. So I made a little bit back. I get another long 63.13 to
Oh
24.
God.
Long that. I make some money on that. Little scalp. Now we go 592 down, 487 down, now down 375. All right, we're making progress, boys. Try again. Buy. Smoke me. Smoke me. Roll me up and fucking smoke me, bro. Willie Nelson style. I'm down 511 on the day. We're rolling. Look at my comment. Fucking wild, dude. I got no other comment except
Fucking wild.
wild, bro. I'm like, this is crazy. Okay, wait. I go long again. I buy this 66.05. I'm out at 66.20. Left money on the table on that one. So I make money there. Pull myself down now. Only 291. I take a break. Finish my workout. Do some stuff with the fam. And then I come back in the afternoon and I find another long somehow. 65.96 to 66.12. Caught 16 points there. And then that finishes the day on all three accounts, only down minus 129. And I can show you that here. So that is a day, everybody, that I would say old Austin, learning even Austin would get torched. I'm torched. I'm max loss. I'm out. But somehow yesterday, by trying to be quick, even against the trend, I was able to survive. So I didn't take too big of a hit, and I'm only $310 away from payout. So if we can make 310 right now, not only do we bounce back off that ugly day yesterday, but we get 3 payouts. So that was my day yesterday.
12
Crazy
rounds,
day, right?
12 rounds.
I just sent in our Discord a link to. I did an entire like full spectrum write up yesterday on that move. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if you read it.
I saw it.
Yeah, so if you want to like pull it up on stream and just show everyone, I won't like walk through the whole thing, but I think yesterday's move is really important to document because a move like that is rare. It doesn't always happen, but dude, I'm telling you, bro, if you could have utilized 0 DT options in the right way and gone way out of the money yesterday, literally you could have gone. Oh wait, did I send the right thing? What is this?
This is your game plan for yesterday, the 20th.
No. So go in our Discord of just the chat, like the team chat.
Oh, the staff chat. This chat.
Yeah, staff chat. Yeah, that. There you go. Pull it up. So I did this full write up on this gap and crap yesterday, basically just talking about like we don't need to go through the whole thing right now, but if anyone wants to read this, I'll post it in the comments too right here.
Yeah, I'll put it in the live chat too.
Yeah. So, but it's basically breaking it all down, dude. The 0 DTE options that were way out of the money yesterday. So if you scroll down to the bottom, I talk about it right here. Okay. So the 6,500 strike trading at 10 cents near high a day. And the fact that we consolidated for an hour, this was like the perfect storm too, because if you would have bought those at 10 cents near high a day, which is $10 because it's times 100.
You get 100, right?
You could buy 100 of them for $1,000, and they got up to $11 a contract or $1,100 per contract. A gain of 11,000%, and that's not a fucking typo, bro.
Wow.
That's a grand into 100 grand.
Oh my god.
It's like, and that is the possibility of some of these options and like the opportunity. This is this is the most rare scenario. You literally have to watch all the stars align perfectly and like know what you're looking for. But I did this whole write up on those stars of like how to potentially look for like this type of market context for next time. So I think it's a really cool read. I liked going into.
I shared it with everybody. No, it's great.
Cool.
I mean, dude, days like yesterday do not come around often. I think that's the big.
They don't. They're rare, but they do come around. I remember I've seen them enough times, and I'm always like, and dude, yesterday I got off stream with Lawrence, and we're watching this happen, and we're like, dude, this might dump, and I get in some 0 DTE SPX puts. And it just starts selling the prior day low. And I'm like, dude, I'm up 100%. I'm up $2,400. I was like, I'm just going to take it. And Lawrence is like, no, Tanner, hold it. And I've just been on fire this week. I made like fucking 16 grand this week trading options. Last night I made fucking 15K trading Asia.
I saw that.
It's been a really good week. So I'm like, I just don't need to push it. But regardless, I still wanted to write up about the opportunity because it's a really good opportunity to learn for the future. Because I'm telling you, next time this fucking happens, I'm going to have my first 6-figure day. It's gonna.
I saw you post that, dude. I think people just think like this is common to get days like that. But if you look at a daily bar of yesterday, like it was bullish yesterday, like 100 points on ES, and then flipped and ended up down another 240 points in a day on ES. You get 10 or 15 of those a year, maybe if you're lucky on a normal year. On a bear market, you probably get more of them, but like these just don't come around that often. It's just as simple as it is. So experience is the best teacher, as you're saying, because then you get more prepared for it when it comes next time.
Correct. And doing write-ups like that and going into detail, like that's what helps you kind of just, I don't know, prepare your brain.
Put it in your brain. It's like, you'll remember that next time.
Exactly. Yeah.
Do we like the
You'll see
longs,
it
Randy?
happening in real time. Sorry?
You like this? I like the longs because of bookmap above.
I
Longs on
kind
this
of like this is a
breakout
nice bar
at the
right
downside
here. I don't feel like I can chase this
because this
though.
is
I
the
need to-
fade. Right? You don't want that. You don't want the
Mm.
shorts there on the first break of opening range low, so you fade it back. Bookmap just is hot above, isn't it, Randy?
Yeah.
I'm realistically today, I want to see us come retest 24,440 on Qs, which is
Get your
200
screen
points
up, bro.
higher.
Get your screen up so we can see because I'm looking
Yeah,
at ES, please.
Yeah. Pull it up.
Opening range is not as big as yesterday, I think, or like in general, the range that we were trading yesterday just got so massive. The moves
Yeah, I
were
think we had
massive.
20 point opening range today. 24 points.
I think I should buy this. Put a stop down there at 64.
It does look decent.
Stop at 60.
I don't like this bar. Let's see.
Coming right back down though.
I know, dude. See, I feel like this is like a 10:15 a.m. type of day.
Yeah, no rushing.
I want to see some of this shake out. This is gonna want to move fast in one direction.
You know how many people are gonna get caught off sides, and I think at 10:15 we'll see like the real move. Like, I think it might not be sustained, but it's gonna be one.
I had a Bitcoin trade yesterday.
I saw that. I know, dude.
Fucking
wow,
dude, crushed it yesterday with that. Halfway done a challenge, bro. No consistency score. No, it's like my Forex funds 2.0. Yeah, because I used to trade Bitcoin with my Forex funds back in the day, and this is now like, yeah. So I'm super pumped about it. I got the podcast with you. You probably know who this guy is. You've been around. You know, Trader name.
I've seen him. Yeah, a great mustache. Number one,
great mustache.
I've seen him. Yeah, I don't know too much about the crypto space, so.
To get you, well, maybe you'll listen to the podcast and fucking learn something. To get the acquisition by Kraken 18 months into starting the company tells you a lot. Basically, dude, I did a podcast yesterday and with KV, and we were talking about how it's basically a monopoly now. Kraken is the monopoly owner of all prop firms. Kraken owns Breakout Prop. Kraken owns Trade-Evate, Ninja Trader. Ninja Trader, Trade-Evate control all the prop futures ecosystem. Kraken is Mr. Monopoly. It's crazy. Yeah.
They're smart. I mean, you would think a company wants to do more B2B because that's where a lot of the business comes from, but apparently they just want to
they want that C.
Apparently they just want just one platform to rule them all. Cough, cough, Top Step.
Yeah, I asked him about that. He's like, why you got to ask me about that on the podcast? I was like, well, what do you think about it, bro? Top Step gives everyone Project X. Michael gives everyone and then he rug pulls it and takes it from everyone. Why do you do that? So we talked about it.
It was all a setup.
Yeah.
It's all the setup.
It is what it is, man. He is the devil.
It's it was a very big chess, not checkers play.
Yeah, exactly. Yes. I like that's a good analogy for that one.
Yeah.
Right. So you can't put like for the other prop firms, you can't put all your eggs into that basket, not realizing he runs the show. And at any point in time, like you got to be thinking in your back ahead, what is this guy really thinking? He didn't build up this prop firm over how many years now to be like to let you guys come in and just take his piece of the pie.
I'm long, boys. I got a tight stop at session low.
We have news at 10 a.m.
Not against that long. I just this area is still too choppy for me. We're above both VWAPs, so I like that. At least on Qs and NQ, not technically.
I just think we're gonna pop into fill these orders at 90, Randy, and I think I can get me done.
Nice.
Let's see.
Yeah, just be mindful of that news coming in at 10 a.m. and if you get a move up, take some of that profit.
Oh yeah, if you're just going for that, you're chilling, dude. You'll probably get that run.
That's all I need for the payout. 3 payouts. Come on.
I'll try this little long with you.
Look at the book map. There's nothing below on book map. It's just so hot above. So I'm just trying to follow that. I like the stop loss on this. Like I know that low should hold if we're going to go back to the opening range high. Here we go. Come on, take these 90s.
Yeah. Oh my God, this is such a wide fucking candle here. Actually, I can't do this. I need to get out. I don't like this. It's too much risk.
It's printing for me. I'm printing 10, 15.2 minute candles. Those are
I just literally was like, oh, I'll just put on 3 micros, put my stop at the low.
You saw how big it was?
5-minute bar, and I was like, it was a $900 stop, and I was like, oh, we're not doing that. I instantly exited for just break even.
That's smart.
Yeah,
Chat,
no, I'm gonna wait till past 10 a.m., dude. I feel like there might be one more flush down to like overshoot prior day low. I want somewhere around 24,000 and then that to hold and then rip us 400 points higher.
Yeah, nice. I took a short into the Asian Open. I was up 26 points. I was holding for 30 and it came back to me on break even. I immediately locked all my accounts out for the Asian session because I was just like, fuck this. Like I didn't take 26 points out of a trade. It was 3 micros. That's maybe why I didn't, but it was still like, you know, $200 and something. So it was like, why didn't I just take that? Like, or sorry, it was 16 versus 20. But it is, at least I was down like $11 on the trade and I was just like, fuck, I'm not even fucking around.
Come on.
This 15-minute bar looks really good for you. The 15-minute looks real nice.
It took those orders at 89 now.
Oh, this is for your payout, huh?
Yep.
Oh,
what
dude,
do you got to trade into
how clenched is your butthole right now, dude? You should get. I think you'll get the run here. You should get it. Let's see if you get it.
Look at him. Look at him.
Daddy needs some new shoes.
Dude, pray to your Torah.
Sitting on a towel so you don't ruin your chair.
There you go. Give him the run. Give him the run on liquidity. Give him the run on liquidity. Come on.
Give us 3 more points. 2 more
points.
Oh,
here you go. Give it to him. Oh, it's faster. Oh my goodness. Are you going to get it? You should get it, bro. Come on. There you go.
You're going to get it. Here it is. Here it comes.
You're going to get it. You're going to get it. Here's the tape.
Just look at Bookmap. It's going to come right into the trade right into these orders.
Oh my dude, I'm clenching for you.
No, you're good. You're good. I'm taking profits. I'm just trading. I'm going to trade through the finish line. I'll take another trade if I need to, but I took 2 off of the 4.
Oh my goodness.
We'll get it. We'll get it. We're close. $70. Watch the top.
You, Austin.
Got to get 53. Not going to let it go all the way back, so I took 2. Yeah, but look, you take 2 and then it still leaves 4 on the stop loss. That's so stupid when you go break even. If I take 2, this red number should change to 2.
It always does. Why didn't it?
No, it doesn't. No, it does not. No, it does not. It does not anymore. Pay attention. It does not. They fucking Michael Patak's trying to fuck you, dude. It does not change. I just changed it.
Oh man.
Still got orders above. A little bit more.
Let's see. God, some of these bars are so wide, dude.
How's the chat doing?
Right at this resistance, bro.
I think chat's actually mixed. I think I saw some people long and short. It's choppy, so I could see why people are seeing it both ways.
Good job. Good job covering and managing this, Austin, if it comes back to you here. At least you have
I got some of it. Just find another trade. I needed 300 to start.
Yeah,
I got 140.
Right. Yeah, you'll find something after. I'm telling you, after 10:15, I think you'll find something like a decent, like actual move out of this range.
10 a.m. news juices it a little bit. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay. Orders came in down at 60.
Good cover. Good cover.
It was close.
Yeah,
it never put me over. It wasn't enough. One more contract that would have been enough.
Yeah. See, look at this fucking just sinkage here, dude.
Right back came up, swept that again. Here we are at that previous day's point of control and yesterday's highs.
Yeah, this is
the overnight high. Sorry,
too much in the range here.
It's very rangy.
I mean, it's awful. It's what is this? This is 3 hours of this small little 5-minute range, basically.
Chad, if you take a trade, tell us. I got 1 win right there. I'm flat now.
Well, we got 3 minutes. 3 minutes till data. Let's see.
Yeah.
I'm liking RTY. RTY is not too bad.
6,600 though is so close, Tanner. Like on ES, like when we break opening range low here, I'm gonna keep using this low until it's taken as a stop loss, even after the news. If it's taken, this idea is invalid. But this is the bottom to me right now, and then this 6,600 is the target because of the orders on Bookmap and that whole number. You break opening range low, that doesn't sustain. You stop out the people that were short on the breakout of the opening range low, and now we'll see what it wants to do. Does it want to bounce and take those orders, or do we like lower like Tanner's saying? But I think this is the level I'm looking at now on ES is like, if this holds, I'm keeping a long bias for right now. Does it make a money?
Yeah, like honestly, we didn't technically fully test prior day low on Qs on that pin down. So I would like to see this news like impulse us back down through that. Same thing with ES. For ES, like you have a ways to go before prior day low, which is right around what, it's 650, 65.50 roughly is prior to low. So yeah, so it's like a pin down there that holds could be one more good setup for a long. Let's see if news gives it to us or if they just stick it through the highs.
Tanner, check this out.
Yep.
I've been trading these accounts with you on stream, so maybe you remember. I have this one fuck it account that I fuck around in. I look at this equity curve, bro. Max loss, break even. Max loss, equity high. Max loss every week in the beginning of the week for 3 weeks, bro. I'm hitting max loss in the beginning of the week and then max profit clawed out the rest of the week. Isn't that funny?
That's crazy. I went on not the best run with this top one account.
What does that mean?
It was like I was at like 161 and then I just started trading like shit on it and I got it down to
the live account, right? Or the pre
No, I'm not, I'm really close to getting that live account and I brought this account all the way back down to 153 or 152 and I was like, fuck, dude. And then I've grinded it back up to 157. So I'm like, I'll get there. But
my gut says we're gonna pop higher here. My gut says I should have a contract long. Maybe
I think we're gonna sweep down to prior day low first.
Yeah, I could see that too. That's why I'm not doing nothing. Let's see what the news comes in as here.
Yeah, here we go. We got 20 seconds here.
Randy,
something.
Are you in anything?
No, that's I was just looking back onto to see the prior day lows, kind of see if there are stack lows anywhere that we could come tap into before this thing wants to go higher.
While we're watching this, everybody, Eric said, does Bookmap Black Friday start Monday? It does. It should start Monday. So I'll keep you posted on that, Eric, on stream. And then Pascal, question to Tanner. How do you want to know if the next big short day is the next big day? You said next time you'll be 6 figures, but you can never know when this is coming. I think if you read his write-up, he has tells. There's tells.
Yeah. There's a bunch of, it's tons of context. That's all it is. Like, I don't know for sure, obviously, but enough market context could let me see a potential opportunity where I'm like, okay, here are the stars potentially aligning to swing the bat. And again, on those days, like, if you're wrong, yeah, I'd lose like $1,000, let's call it, right? But like in the big picture, that's not a lot for me personally, like where I'm at in my journey. But if I can risk 1,000 to make 100 grand, like, dude, I'll fucking
every time, bro.
I'll do that every time. But
I'll give you 1,000, dude. Fuck yeah, make it.
Yeah, exactly. But it does come down to just context. Like, that's why trading isn't as simple as just like, oh, this is a pattern, a bull flag, buy it. It's like, well, what's the bigger picture market context? I talk about all of that in that write up. So hopefully that helps you. All right, here's the dump now. Down. Hopefully we get below this low. Let's get the prior day low. Let's get it. Well, maybe this just keels over and we just keep dumping down. Like,
so there's a small part of me in the back of my head that like I was saying, we're just making a lower high here,
Bloody Friday,
on a higher time frame, and we're gonna suck lower.
Could be
another lower.
Yeah, I mean,
just kind of we're sitting sideways here at this.
This is pretty ugly.
Yeah,
this is where you keep flipping through all of the bigger time frames. 30-minute, like this is ugly. But again, if we get something done, what I do like is like the attempts to go lower, the lower high. Like, again, if we get like a lower high here around 24,000 or higher low, I'm sorry, boom, get the pop back up. That's kind of what I'm looking for. So
to what you're saying, Tanner, there's on the 15-minute, there's a fair value gap. That the bottom of that gap is basically 24,000. So if that gap held,
yeah, for sure, yeah,
for all your low there, and on ES, that's basically at that 550 level that we're talking about.
Correct.
I'm sure today's lows. So
I just put a short on with a stop at that news pin. So if it flips at the 10 o'clock candle and takes the news pin at 10 o'clock, I'm out and I'm back to break even on the day. But let's see if we can get this thing over the line.
I think we should. I mean, we'll probably flush this right here. We're too close to it. At least flush this liquidity.
Orders on Bookmap below say it wants to come down here.
Okay, here comes prior day low on Qs. I want to see an overshoot to 24,000. I'd love to see 24,000.
I'm starting to, when I look at these moves, Tanner, I'm actually starting to use the word overshoot, like in my head. Like, is this an overshoot? And then starting to like.
So what was yesterday? Today was not yesterday would be a maximum overshoot.
Yesterday was just a accumulation death. Okay, here we go. Let's see down here. Okay, here's
No,
prior
but
day
for me,
low.
Austin, I'm looking at like levels now with volume profile. So like I like the term overshoot, and I'm starting to try and understand
I'm break
how
even
much.
on that, everybody.
Nice. You got some momentum here a little bit. Tape's
Well,
trying. We're
if
right
you're
at
looking
prior
for
day low.
longs, I don't want to. I just need to. I'm gonna piece my way to this payout. Maybe. Let's see.
Yeah. Well, the tape's still decently heavy here. They're trying. They're trying to do something.
Trying to take these lows, yeah, and like you see these orders at 62.
They're getting reactions here.
Might be.
I'm trying this long. I'm trying the
You're long now.
Yeah, I'm trying the long.
I'm flat.
Super small stop below this bar. I might get stopped though. Might be too early. Let's see if it holds.
Yeah, I'm out of that. Short. Went break even on it, so just nothing. Yeah, you being long is making me not want to be short, but I like the shorts with that news.
I mean, I could be way too early here. I could be way too early here for sure. But we just pinned through that liquidity into prior day low. So if it does hold, this could be the spot. Let's see if we get some more momentum. Okay, here we go. a little bit here.
So we swept the New York session highs on the move up. Now we've taken the lows on the move down.
It's still too heavy.
Do you know? Huh?
Yeah,
like
more and more
we're right in this.
537 just came on right below. More contracts below right now.
They're trying. They need to get through this 2-minute bar. They need to get through this 2-minute bar here. Let's see. See, it's still pretty heavy though.
I love that I can live vicariously through both of you guys right now.
Okay, okay. See, look at them stuff it, dude. Look at them stuff it. It's not good.
No.
It's okay. I got small wrist, 288. I only have three micros on.
Chat, I'm putting the link for the giveaway. Put your names on the link.
There we go. There we go. Come on. Look at that, dude. Wow, 3 micros up $300.
Yeah, good job.
Keep it going.
You're on
See that, right? Your bias made me go break even on the short, so worked out.
I want 400. I want this insane move up to here. I'm going to add into this. Actually, I'm going to add into it now. Fuck it.
Order filled.
Send it. Or I get stuffed at VWAP right here, and I really regret it. Fuck! I just saw that.
I love it.
Oh fuck! Get through VWAP. 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 Get through VWAP.
Randy, why is there 539 contracts at 65?
Because it's 65, bro. I thought it was 6.7.
Rip, stick it. Rip, stick it.
6.5.
Rip, stick it. 6 micros. Come on. This is the perfect storm for the rip higher here. Swept that low right into prior day low. No,
I love this. You guys are like completely on the opposite ends of the trade. Exactly.
Go up.
No, Randy, I'm flat, buddy. What are you talking about?
Oh, you got out. You got break even.
Listening? I just said I got out.
I'm not listening. Do you not see this price action? I can't listen. I can't do it all, bro. I want to trade too.
You had too much coffee today. Tate, this is good, bro. I would say, Tate, I mean, you're in the same trade I'm in. This is the advanced way to think about it. If you know you like this as the stop loss, why not get in closer to the VWAP and then be willing to full out here at those highs? That's my thought. I was in the same trade as you, bro. I was in 2 minutes earlier. My thought is, I know I'm risky. I'm willing to take that stop and get in right here at the VWAP for the pop there. And that's why I was full out, right? Here, moving the last contract up, taking some and you didn't do bad, bro. I'm just saying to take it to the next level, be thinking, where is your stop going to be? Okay, well, should we get into this now? If I'm really confident, I want my stop there. I get a better R. I might take this trade fully at the market open pin high, opening range high, right? Because now when you look at this trade, in here, out here, it was a mid-range entry, stop at opening range low or low of session, trade to opening range high. That's the trade. See, I probably should be getting along with you now, Tanner, because we took New York view up, but we didn't take that 10 o'clock pin yet. I'd like it to take 65.90 for the longs.
This is...
I got long at 84.75. Like
you got to get
30 seconds ago. So
you could get your screen up, Randy. I'll put it on for you.
Oh, I don't have it up, and I got to make sure.
See this bear market bullshit, dude. If they pin 200s right here and keep us below and goes back, see this game might goes back below view up here. I gotta let this trade though. This is a probability one. This is totally a probability one.
Or you become a scalper and you took it and then you get back in again another long and you do
I'm not doing that.
Bang, 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 you jab it to death.
I'm not doing that. I gotta
John Wick style. Have it bleeding out on the floor.
Oh, see, dude, they're gonna fucking cuck me right here, dude.
I'm short again, guys. Sorry, Tanner.
Oh, yeah, dude. I might be totally smoked on this. Look at them, dude. Pin this shit, bro. Look at them pin this shit, dude.
Everybody, I'm just playing VWAP.
Oh,
Held my 10 a.m. news pin. I just want to be on the right side of VWAP.
Oh, yeah. I'm going to the gulag. There's no way.
Lock me up, dude. Put me in fucking jail.
I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna cut this.
Yeah, they're gonna take these, sweep these lows here. I think I might get out of this trade too.
Let's see. I'm on the verge of cutting. I basically I'm stopping here now. Let's bring this up. This is smarter because this will just get momentum and die if it does. Let's see. Save myself $300 of stop.
That's good.
Because that was just so ugly on the 5 minute, dude. This pin.
The way that pulled down.
This right here, like this lower high. I'm like, oh fuck, dude. Now they're battling VWAP again. If they stuff it here at VWAP again, then it's just gonna roll over and die.
You should have seen that on Bookmap. It was just like taking the orders, and they kept pulling them and putting them underneath.
Oh yeah, this is gonna smoke me right here. Unless this has to hold right here. My only saving grace. Let's see. I mean, it's a bear market.
You got orders coming on above, just not that heavy.
Okay. Okay. No, come on. Go up. Go up. Okay. Trying to reclaim this 5 minute bar. Can they do it? Can they do it? They're trying. It's a battle royale. Oh no, I'm smoked.
Oh man, you're making me like want to get out of the trade. Here we go. This is
oh. And
this is the sound Tanner makes when I take a payout. When I got Tanner bent over the desk. Somebody clip that, dude. That sound effect. We need that on a button, dude. Sound like an old Chinese lady falling really slow.
Fuck, dude. There's some bullshit. That was a good attempt.
I'm out of the trade. Fuck me.
You know, I'm really gonna regret if I move my stop from low to where I did and now it holds. If we get back through VWAP, I'll take it again.
Yeah. Read and react. You guys are out of the long then, yeah? Both of you?
Yeah. I just hated that pin bar. And it saved me $300 of stops, so
that's very important. I'm just on the right side of VWAP today, Randy. You know, I'm just, and I mean, this is one of them things. I got some of these things sometimes I say, everybody, that are not rules, but when you get 10 a.m. juice like that, if that pin holds, it goes this way. If that pin gets taken from the 10 a.m., we go higher. So that's kind of what I'm using to still. I took the first short here, put the stop there, got tapped on the trail, another short here, stop is up here. See if we get more leg down here. Just trade what it's telling me. I don't know what it's going to do, but it is telling me that there's sellers in here. And I don't need a lot of money to pay out.
Tanner, we should have just waited till 10:15.
I know. Watch. I'm going to have full clarity in 4 minutes.
Yeah. I just looked at the clock and I'm like, fuck, it's 10:11. Didn't you say 10:15? And I was like, I'm not trading until any of the news comes in.
Okay. I unbiased, Randy, this orders underneath doesn't make you feel like it's going to slide here and just boner candle down.
Oh, I thought it was going to slide on the last candle. And I'm surprised it didn't.
Sure. I'm surprised.
And then even 2 candles before that, again, when Tanner first started saying that on Bookmap, this thing looked like it was coming down and orders just coming on like slightly below it to keep pulling it down. And that didn't. It stopped again here at these lows. So
still in this fucking ugly range, dude.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's crazy because 2 of my top step accounts hit my personal daily loss limit of 300, and then the other 2 is set to 150, and it hasn't hit those yet. So, do I just cut this trade at these lows, or put my stop at the lows, or let this play out now?
Dude,
these orders at 52 are my target.
Let's see. It looks like you're getting some momentum here. I mean, we probably should see prior day low on SPY and ES, so I think you're going to be good.
Just feels like a boner candle's coming.
Is that what you feel?
Yeah, like when the heat map gets like this and it gets real flat and like it's just knocking on a low, like I just feel like it could take the low very quickly.
Mm-hmm. Retest a prior day low here on Qs. Does it hold?
This is gross. Just gross.
It's kind of interesting here.
Is it just going to consolidate here and then rip our face or rip Austin's face off and go higher?
So you're just still too married to the long.
No, I'm not. I'm too married to my original trade, not even the longs.
I'm married to the long a little bit.
Yeah, you're married to the longs because, like, what would make you think it would rip higher? Buyers have not sustained at all today above VWAP. There's no rip higher. I'm gonna go break even on it though, just in case. Not losing any money. I'm just.
They might do some tomfoolery here, dude.
Trying to win my way to the payout here. Come on, boner candle me down. I know it.
They might do some tomfoolery here, dude.
Give me the new low. It's right there.
It's right there for you.
Right at this 10-15 mark.
Oh my god, they might hold this, bro. Who knows?
How much am I at risk here? Okay, let's put this back there. Give it a minute.
Bro, they might hold this. Let me pull up the 15-second chart.
It's knocking on that low. Just got to give it a few minutes to kick the door down. They're waiting for the fat dude with the fucking battering ram to kick the low over.
Just run through the door.
Hey, get Fred, dude. We need Fred. We can't get, we got double bolts on this bitch, bro. Yeah, Fred's got to come and send a boner candle lower. Yeah, we should get some shaking here. It's 10:15. It's a new 15-minute bar.
I'm trying along here.
Go for it.
2 of my counts are still in the long. So
I tried the long here. Let's see.
Where's your stop now, Tanner? On this
It's
long?
just at the low. It's literally at low a day. It's only $186. Super small.
Oh, Randy, your stop is far, dude. Your stop's super far.
6. Oh shit. That's the automatic one that's underneath that comes in on in the brackets.
Oh, okay.
It's meant to be at 60.
Oh, okay.
I fixed it.
Wow, this is so heavy.
See, this is why I moved my stop, everybody. I would have been tapped out at this. Again, another thing I don't have rules for. New 15-minute candle coming in. It's going to shake up and down a little bit before that 15-minute bar may pick its direction. So if I lock my stop right before the 15-minute bar and we're this close to my entry, probably going to get tapped. So then put it back where it's supposed to be, give it a minute, and now look at what it's doing. You see what I'm saying?
No, I'm saying
52, baby. Come on.
oh, dude, they're trying. They're really trying.
If I add a couple contracts, I would be done already. Like we just go heavier. Duh.
That's a secret. No one wants to know. No one wants to know that secret.
Fuck it, Tanner. Let's load the boat.
Dude, I might add to this if we got to get way higher this here. We're just not doing anything. It seems unlikely that it won't make a new low.
Oh, we're getting closes below the opening range low. This is
Dump it.
Okay.
There's no reason
Fred,
this doesn't work for you.
Fred, kick the door, Fred. We need the payout. Come on, kick this bitch. Kick the
Let's
can.
get it. Come on.
Oh,
Oh.
You see
You still
me?
got prior day low. It needs to be
You
tested.
see me?
Come on.
I'm calm. I'm cool. I'm collected. I want Tanner to make that noise again.
I'm out.
Oh, here you go. Give it to him.
Now we'll go break even just in case. Now we'll just hold this until we cross the finish line for the payout. I don't want to cut one and just trail it because I think it's going lower. I think we could have a bloody Friday.
Dude, fucking add to it and take the payout.
Yeah. Pussy.
Hey man, if being a pussy got me this far, I'm gonna be the biggest pussy of the world. Bro. So hot below, Randy. That's where I was like, how are these orders below not telling you it's going to boner down? And you're just married to the longs. You're just not seeing the boners as clear as I'm seeing the boners. Just
well,
surprising.
no, I didn't want to cut my long early.
But you're under VWAP. Like there's no reason to be a buyer today.
Oh no, I didn't get long here. I got long above VWAP. I got long at.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I got long at 10:06.
Got it.
Pretty shitty action, if you ask me. It's very meh.
Where are we right now? Coming out
Everybody's going to think this is going to want to just tip over and it's going to just chop sideways.
I think they're going to buy it, dude. I'm not convinced. I'm just not convinced, bro. I think that was the final sweep here. And here you go. They're going to fucking reclaim prior day low and fucking rip stick this thing now to 400s for Qs.
I got tapped out of that, but I'm going to be willing to short it again. Everybody, if we pull that New York VWAP a little lower, just keep reading and reacting. Still very close to this payout.
I'm long one more time. Here we go. I'm in now.
Let's see if we'll take the VWAP for you then.
Yeah. This would be it. Here's the pin through prior day low. It would have to continue higher here. Otherwise, this is just ridiculous.
Yep. Order filled.
Yep. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh yeah.
Order filled.
Oh yeah.
I got long one micro at the overnight.
Oh yeah.
I only have like $15 a drawdown.
You guys are fucking retarded, bro. I'm sorry.
It's 10. It's all good.
Retarded, bro.
I had $15 a drawdown.
I love you both, but like the VWAP is down. Like, and you see me losing when I fight the VWAP. What are you fighting it for, dude?
Prior day low. I'm just trading levels, dude. I'm trading my system, whatever. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Wow, that's
Randy,
heavy.
I'm more disappointed in you. Tanner has an excuse.
Yeah, I trade like this all the time, dude. Let me take my losses in peace. Come on.
Sorry.
You can be disappointed in me, Austin. I'm sorry. I'll do better.
Oh, the amount of fuckery on this tape is insane. Look
yeah,
at
today
that.
I feel like this is one of them trades where you have to be here longer, Tanner.
You just gotta.
Here comes my move down to 52.
Yeah, probably. Here comes me being done for the day. Yep.
I'm short one more time. See if we can get it now down to 52.
I'm done.
It seems like it's going to just tip here.
Death by 1,000 paper cuts for me.
It's okay. You're seeing your ideas through, bro. You have a system that you're trying to trade with these reversion ideas. So I get it. You know,
yeah. And then they just didn't follow through. I mean,
No.
some like I got a couple of bounces that were okay, but no real follow through. Boom, done for the day. Deactivated.
Nice.
Fuck me, dude. It's annoying.
It's all right, bro. Can't see you well every day. You had a great day yesterday. What do you want to do?
I know. Dude, just let me. I want my ego to be right.
Sorry. Sorry.
I don't give a fuck. I made like 20 grand this week. I'll take my $1,000 sim loss.
Exactly, bro. Now you can hope that I can get this 3K payout here. Let's see.
Mm-hmm. Dude, they're making this so hard.
Yeah, it's very choppy. Like it'll leg, pull back. Leg, pull back.
Extremely difficult.
Wider stops help. You know, everybody, if you are choking these trades, like wider stops definitely help when you got a bigger opening range. So
awful conditions.
Be here at 84.
Oh, dude, they're gonna fucking rip this thing now.
every
I think you've said that, bro.
I'm gonna go long on top step.
Every time price goes higher, it's like it's gonna fucking rip.
Dude, they're gonna rip this thing, bro.
I think for me, everybody, I could share with you like a tip when you're getting close to payout like this. I mean, in hindsight, of course, I'd be better off if like the 2 trades I got stopped at break even so far. If I would have just closed them for small little wins, I could chip my way there instead of trying to trail it and hit it in one trade. So just something to think about.
No, this is it, dude. You're fucked here. It's long. This is it. This is it.
Well, I have a stop in
I have a
place. I
crystal
can get
ball.
long.
It's
I'm
going.
not married to a bias today. I feel
Oh,
very
it's
unbiased,
going,
so
dude.
okay.
This is
I'm
it.
not married to a bias. I'm going back and like marking up my trade now and
This is
reflecting on it. Like I
fucking
moved
it.
my stop line, and then 2 of my accounts got my previous
This
daily loss
is
limit got hit because my stop was
fucking
not big
it.
enough.
What are you seeing, Tanner, that you're saying that?
3-minute engulfing candle.
But if you look at to the left,
the wicks.
but this price has not changed. So to me, like when I look at the price action on your chart in the last 2, 3, 4-minute bars, I feel like to me it looks like no new information. So that's why I'm curious to see what you're seeing.
I think that you're fucked here, and this is gonna go. I'm gonna regret that so hard. It's just gonna come all the way back down again.
On
I did something smart.
positive note,
I made this 5,700, and I set up a max drawdown of realized gains of 700. So I was like,
Okay.
I'll fuck with $700 today on this. If I lose that, at least I lock in 5K.
Yeah.
Doug passed a 150K. He just
it's
lost some
going.
accounts. He lost some
Nice.
accounts the other day. So
Nice.
wicked. Great job, Doug.
This is going, dude. You need to get long. You need to put your whole life on long.
Everyone, please remember these streams are not signals.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, they're not. Yeah, they're not.
Don't sue me for something Tanner says, please.
Tanner, Doug is asking you, did you go live with TOF and how long did it take for them to evaluate and approve you? And did they start the eval after 2 or 3
Yeah, I did. Hold on. I need to buy. I'm gonna play this cues real quick, dude. I'm gonna buy a couple of these.
Sorry, he just asked that question twice, so I know he wants the answer.
It's moving now.
It's fucking moving, dude.
Look at this guy.
Okay. Did you hear that?
No.
You guys hear that? I don't know if
No.
you hear that. Go along a little bit of 0 DTE because this thing's fucking gonna rip, dude. It's going. This thing is going to the sun. I was just too early on the other account, bro. We're back through. Look at this 5-minute candle. Talk about an engulfer.
Tanner, why is Funded Next Futures getting so much FUD? Is it because they did a change to rules with people like retroactively on accounts?
Yeah, and I guess they flipped everything completely. Like they had this uncapped payout thing, and then like all this shit, and then literally all of a sudden out of nowhere, they like apparently just changed everything. And it's funny because some of those big people on Twitter like that always talk shit on everyone. Like some of them were like ambassadors for them or whatever, and then of course they're just all quiet about this and don't like speak up about it.
Of course.
I hate Twitter, dude. I fucking hate Twitter so much. Dude, this is ridiculous price action, bro. We just pinned VWAP again. Watch us fail again. Wow. Treacherous.
Wow.
Treacherous, dude. Painful.
Wow, bro.
Painful, bro. Oh my god.
Dude, these are like, what does it look like on the 1 minute?
I could show you.
You tell me they're gonna do this, this overshoot, double overshoot, and then a nice signal bar finally, and then they're just gonna engulf all this again and kill it. Not today.
So I'm green now, everybody, but I gave up the winning. I had up 148, so now I'm only up $13. Still can get it done today.
Do you need to get it done today?
No, you're right. We do it on Monday. This action is not that great. I agree.
So I have a super tight personal daily loss limit set in all my accounts. I hit that, and I'm totally okay with it. So I'm still up on the week. I'm still green. Yeah, and I'll just look to come back Monday.
I want to short it again.
Dude, this is, I don't blame you. I want to fucking turn off my computer. Wow.
Lock it out, Tanner. Lock it out.
Wow. Well, this will lock me out, which is cool. I locked the risk settings on this, which is good.
Okay.
So I'll lose $700 and then whatever. Wow, dude. They really just fucking awful. Holy shit. Terrible.
And for those who don't know, in Trade Evade, there is risk settings again. Like you can set it up like Project X and lock yourself. Have like personal daily loss limits and weekly loss limits and whatnot. It'll liquidate you.
Wow. All right. Well, I just got basically anal no lube today.
I can feel it through the screen.
Oh,
no lube.
Just painful.
323.
Or they hold it here. I don't even know anymore, dude. Today fucking sucks. No one. This is the worst action ever. If anyone got chopped up like I did, it's just okay. It's whatever.
I didn't get chopped up. I got
Austin's locked in, still trying to scheme his way to his payout today. I could tell.
Yeah.
That's why he's quiet.
Yeah, I know.
That's why I had to ask him. I'm like, does he need it today?
Yeah, it's true. Wow, look at that, dude.
If you look at this, this looks like Austin. It wants to come lower. It's just putting in lower high, lower high, lower high.
This candle right here was like the deciding factor. Like that shouldn't have happened.
I closed mine, everybody. I'm up $100 now.
Only thing for me, Austin, is these on the 2-minute, it's printing like 15-point candles on ES.
That doesn't matter to me though.
Yeah,
I would just say like the reason I'm out here, everybody,
up in a trade.
I haven't been chopped up at all because I'm entering close to VWAP. So the thing I'm saying here, everybody, is the reason I'm out at these even lows is because I've had 2 trades now today that I get break even on into these even lows. So if I don't do anything here, I'm an idiot. If it tanks and goes lower, no FOMO about it. But you got to take your green because green is green. Again, listen to what I'm saying, everyone. I had 2 good trades today. These guys are getting chopped up. I'm not chopped. I was in profit with no drawdown on both trades, but I didn't get full target. So now if I don't do anything at the same level that I got to and then got break even, I'm stupid. And now that I got out, it's going to go lower, but we'll just find another trade. But I think that's a really good tip is if you're trading into a level, and you don't get the crack of that level, why are you still trying to crack it? Take it. If anything, Randy, now looking at it, like we said, we're in a range. Short the top, buy the bottom, right? I've been short in mid-range and it's been working. So, and it's lower lows and lower highs. Like no matter what you want to say, it's lower lows. So if anything, everybody, I would still be looking for shorts. I am going to still look for shorts. So
yeah, dude. All right. Well,
leave, Tanner. Don't keep trading. Lock out and leave.
I'm out. I can't do anything else. Like I'm like actually
they called me. They margin called me. I'm done.
They margin called me, dude. Fucking that's it.
I'm in the same boat, Tanner. I'm marking up and reflecting, and I'm good.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna go request my $9,000 from TPT and go fuck off.
I'm just looking at this for a second too. These are daily candles. Amazon back to its start of start of year VWAP. Yeah, damn. Amazon back to start of year VWAP, dude. That's rough. But thanks for coming on, Tanner. Dude, what are you doing this weekend? Sober, drinking? What are we doing?
Just chilling, dude. I don't really got a lot going on. I am going to Apocalypse next Friday, which is like
what the fuck is that?
It's the bass rave. It's all bass music. I'm fucking stoked for that. That'll be fun.
What does that mean? Just like a guy playing bass guitar the whole time? Like a black dude with some swag?
God, dude, you're literally younger than me, and you act like you're fucking.
It's funny, bro. I'm sure the chat doesn't know what bass music is. You know what I'm saying? The chat's like, "What the hell does he mean? Is it like a nice swagged out black dude named Jeff?"
Rhythm.
Dubstep.
You gotta look it up. You gotta like play a video to see what it really is, because I didn't even know.
Drum and bass, dude. Drum and bass.
Yeah, next week I'm doing that. This weekend I'm just chilling. Honestly, we're just relaxing. We were gonna. My girl just got a new approved for a new apartment, so she's actually moving into my building.
Oh fuck yeah!
So, yeah, so she's stoked. Yeah, I'm really happy for Brooke. So she's all excited about that. We were actually supposed to go to Big Bear with Lance.
Oh really?
Lance is doing like a little Big Bear trip this weekend, but she just got approved, so we gotta like pack and like do a bunch of stuff, and it just like it's too much going on. We couldn't swing it. So yeah,
what was the rule change, dude? What was the rule change, real quick, that Funded Next did? Matt from Top One is asking me.
I think they just went retro. I don't know the full details. I know they went retroactive on uncapped payouts, and then a bunch of people with all these big balances that were like really close to taking a huge payout, and they just I think wiped all of them. And other than that, I don't know. It's pretty funny, like seeing all these other firms now getting heat and flack when like Top One is just cruising, doing its thing.
Cruising, bro.
I love it. Like I'm like, all right, cool. I'm like, this is great.
Yep.
So
Well, thanks for coming,
All right.
bro. Enjoy your
Cool.
weekend.
Peace, guys. Later.
See you, buddy.
Peace, Tanner.
ASFX TV people, we are not done. Your boy's still green, so we are not done. Tanner may be a little tilted, but we're not done. He may be rubbing off on you too, Randy, but we are not done.
I'm not tilted because I only had one trade.
You were
And
married
I
to
hit
the
my personal
wrong.
daily loss limit. So there's no tilting going on there. That
Everybody-
last trade was one micro and one account that had like $15 left in it before it hit PDLO.
Okay. Put your names on the giveaway list there, everybody, so we can do our duck race in a little bit.
I love you and I appreciate you for being hard on me. But it's
Well, I'm not being
Friday.
hard
Just
on
be
you. I just think
gentle.
you're overthinking things. So you need to be.
Yeah,
I need to be
100%.
told when I'm overthinking things. Like, where are the buyers today? 1 minute bar above New York, 2 minute bar above New York. No, there are no buyers. Not right now. We're short or nothing here. Don't get fooled.
No, I knew when I was looking at it. And like I said, I think that hearing Tanner definitely did influence me. And I moved my stop line around and then 2 of my accounts got taken out and they hit PDLL and it was just kind of a clusterfuck. So it was like, yeah, it was just.
It felt like
I
a
said,
clusterfuck, and I'm trying to lock in here and get this fucking payout, and you fuckers are distracting me.
Oh, I agree. I wrote it in my thing. I'm like, just stopped it on 2 of 5 accounts, was off my math, hit my PDLL, stopped it on the rest shortly after. So
What do you like this here? So we'll take a look at this, right? We said we could be in a range today. Is it worth it to now? We're an hour into the session. Take this back to electronic. Doesn't look bullish to me. I can't be a buyer. You're selling it with a stop loss above the like literally after yesterday, especially, dude. I'm short here, stop up here. 31 points. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just like be on the right side of VWAP. You're going to get some money probably. Get closer to the VWAP and you might even be even better,
Well, I didn't realize that we just filled that gap on regular trading hours too, but anyways, I'm just going to stop fucking talking. What am I fucking overthinking things for? Right?
No, I mean, under blue line, under dotted line, red sell button. Red sell button. Oh, dude, it's going to dump. It's gonna
You
dump.
guys all right? You need
Yeah, here he is. Here's the
Get some
voice of
honey.
reason.
This might be
voice
the
of
worst
reason
day
has
to try to
arrived.
go get a payout. Unfortunately, the market knows.
Market knows, dude. It's
Market
testing
knows
me.
what you need, and it's going to give you everything. But
Did you watch that shit with Tanner, bro? He was going off, bro.
yeah,
He's crazy.
I mean, you got to respect him. But it
The
was as soon
people
as he
love it,
said-
dude. Gets the
when he
people
said
going.
Put the house on it. I sold.
Dude, when he goes, he's like, you're gonna eat your dick or whatever he said. He's like, I'm gonna regret saying that. And it's like, oh damn, like literally 2 minutes later, he's getting smoked on it.
This was my trade. I think he
Oh,
said
of course it was. Where you been, bro?
Oh,
You in here.
Ev, you
What
would
are
have talked me out of it.
Bro? What
You
is
said
this,
put-
bro? Hold out. You're a hold. I'm done, bro. You're a fucking hold.
He said
I
put the
get
house
right
on
out,
it. I
and this
said,
guy's
all right,
here.
but the other way,
Fuckers.
right? You mean shorts
Yeah.
off this view up that can't be broken all morning? So I just followed the lower highs, catching it down to the lows rather than chasing breakouts on a ranging day. You want to get that best price close.
No,
to
I'm
VWAP.
with you. I was in it. I was in this. This was the one that just got me back up $100. I'm
Right,
not
like,
in it
it's so
still.
easy to chase the low there, chase the low here. I mean, it's working maybe now, but like can't be chasing lows even there. Like breakouts on a day that's just slowly grinding its way lower. I'm
No.
like, okay, this is being bullish, but that's the opportunity to sell it on a range day or a slow day, right? You don't want to be inducive. Like, here's the reversal. Here's the reversal. As you've been saying all stream of like, buyers cannot take this and they fail again. So why would I think we're going higher? It's just moving lower. And to your point that you say a lot of the time on the electronic, we've been trying to hold this overnight view up. If you look
It's
at
failing.
the overnight, very low volume. I don't think it even matters.
No, it doesn't matter.
So that's why I didn't read it. I was just like, it's lower highs and lower lows, and this thing's finally getting the lower low that we wanted.
And I just said it when I got out of the last short. I said, I got to get out here at the lows because it's bounced off the lows a couple of times and I got break even. So now I get out. And if I would have been still, we're at payout right now.
And it's the same as like all your longs. It's like, if this does break, all right, maybe Tanner is right and the longs are coming in or whatever. But if I can get short at the VWAP where it could definitely make another lower high that it's been trying to, even this, I see that as a lower high, even though it's up there. It's like it's still just falling on top. Buyers can't take the New York. I need to be short here with a stop loss at the high. I don't need to be like short here with like a stop loss here or there. I don't need that trade. But when it's on the VWAP, I need it.
I was short at 68, everybody. Did anybody have an entry price near 65, 68, or 65, 69? That last leg
somebody
down
got
here.
short at 69. Brian, who was it in the chat? Somebody in our chat. Brian Moy maybe was short at 69 and looking for 50 for a target. So he probably took profits.
Literally, Ev, I was in here and I closed it a minute later.
Yeah, I mean, and you're getting like lower lows with those lower highs. So, like I cannot long lower lows.
No.
If it was like sitting on the bottom, like support, sure. But like it's succeeding in making new lows, I can't be a buyer.
I see everybody's comments in the chat. I hope that Tanner didn't distract you too much. Like I've been calling the shorts, you know what I mean? Don't let Tanner and his way of trading distract you from what we teach here. He's here for entertainment and to give his input. Stay true to what you guys are doing. It's been, look, like all the entries today have been short. It was a short off of VWAP, stopped at break even. Short off of VWAP, stopped at break even. Short off of VWAP, closed it manually. Like it's just been shorts off of VWAP today. So even though it is sideways, I'm showing you right now, you'd want to be entering on this candle close. Evan's explaining it there. I'm showing you want to enter on this candle close where I did. Like this is pretty straightforward. You can even enter on that big red candle close here. And all three of these entries, stop goes at opening range high. It's pretty straightforward from the course. If you do not understand that, ask a question right now. There's 3 opportunities to be short: 68, 69, 76, and 76 again. There's your prices where you want to be short off of the VWAP.
You keep saying like trade on the right side of the blue line, and that's absolutely true. But like as I've been mentioning, as I've been going through all my markups and doing the update to 2.0, the closer the better. Like if I can get on it, I love
Give it. Yes.
Simple as that. Because it's
Yes.
like even just that gives you the better stop loss, like we're saying, at high of day. Could you sell it towards the lows and put a stop at high? Sure. But that just to me looks terrible. Where it's like if I can get it after a pullback, it gives me a reasonable stop loss distance and it's at high of day. So like everything makes sense about that. That we'll quickly find out, okay, we're not holding VWAP. I'm wrong. Or you could sell it towards the lows, take a loss or break even, and you're not wrong on the shorts. You're just maybe early, late, however you want to word it. Where it's like if you're at the VWAP, you're probably not early. You're probably just gonna be right or wrong if you give it enough time.
I think this is going to
definitely not easy.
6,500
I
today,
had to
boys.
wait till 10:26. I fucking waited an hour for this bullshit. Like it's
In
not like,
vi-
oh, it's
Right.
super clear today, guys. You don't see that?
Look,
It was very enticing to take a lot of shit.
NVIDIA new session lows down 4%. Tesla's down
Also,
2%, new session lows. Google's
I
at
have that.
session lows. Amazon
I
at
have that on
session
my
lows.
markup. I sent the markup in the chat earlier. I'll send it again because that's also in the notes. I'm like looking at all the stocks. Nvidia's been tanking. It's down 4%. Why the fuck am I buying the tech indice? I'm not. I'm gonna sell it because like the only thing that was bullish today is Apple, and it still is. So go ahead. But Microsoft's underneath. Google's been moving lower. Meta. So like that alone also was like, yeah, I'm not buying this. What are you doing? Because I'm trading an indice with those stocks in it. So if those stocks are moving lower, how is this magically going to go higher?
Oh, screen's
There goes
gone.
your screen.
Well, Austin was talking about 6,500 pre-market in the BSC chat, so
It should hit today. I
you were
would think
looking
it
at that
will.
number.
I just want to show everybody this. So close to payout. Red yesterday. Look, I'm already at 12 trades today. Fuck, 13 yesterday. Jesus Christ, man.
I mean, even that first trade, you really like $20 away. We could have
I
avoided
know.
all this shit if it just
It's
gives you
testing
an
me.
extra point.
It's testing me, bro. So
Yeah.
in this case, everybody, just another tip I'll give you. I'm not going to slam it today and try to get it. I get another $100 today, another $200 today. Maybe I get it today, but it will get done. It will get done. Yeah, I mean, if you were here, I would much rather be golfing than trading.
Yeah.
On a Friday, dude, I don't need to be here anymore. I'd
Let's
much
get him
rather.
out of here. Call the PJ, call the pilot. Let's go play around. Let's go play Augusta.
Can I share that? I don't know if I have that link still from the yeah, it's somewhere on Twitter, AJ. I'm sorry. It's lost in the ether now. Tanner is really one of those traders. Like he's different than me in many ways, but like the way I make my money is like Derek Jeter. Like I'm boxing. Tanner has to make his money on a day like yesterday, where it's massive like that. That's where he will. And then I'm like fucking struggling yesterday sometimes on those downtrending days. You know, so we're just different traders. Like I'm just a guy that's jabbing every day, scalpy. Even when I brought it up to him, he's like, "No, I don't want to do that scalpy shit." Just got to know yourself.
Well, you went 12 rounds yesterday.
I went 12 rounds yesterday and today, dude.
12 rounds.
Blue Chew is empty. My Blue Chew drawer is empty, bro. I have no stamina left. We are beat down. It's Friday. It's almost like I'd want to not trade these today, to not let it go red. You know what I mean? It's almost like just move to another group, get this done next week. You need $200 $220 next week.
Lock it.
No.
I can't help you.
No, I'm disciplined today. I'm not like yesterday. I don't feel like yesterday, so I feel good. Trump just said, I'm not pulling off sanctions on Russian oil. Oil just jumped up. Leo and Riley went to this place today called Monkey Joe's. It's like a big indoor bounce house place where the kids can run around and smash into each other. And like they have to take their shoes off. You know, it's like last time he was there, bro, they were there for 4 hours playing. 4 hours, dude.
Yeah, what did we? Did you have is Funplex like
Yeah.
nationwide?
Yeah. We had a
that was
Funplex, not anymore.
what I had.
But dude, I told there was a fat kid, little chubby, thick little motherfucker that pushed Leo there last time, and I looked him in the face when he came home, and I said, "Did the fat kid push you?" And he said, "Yes." I said, "Next time that happens, you push him back harder." It's the only advice I got.
Yeah, prison yard rules.
Prison yard rules,
You go
bro.
to the biggest guy,
And you square up immediately.
then they know who's big dog on this block.
So you know, my dad was a lawyer. He told me a
Mhm.
story once. He represented a guy who was wrongfully convicted. And the first day that the guy was put into jail for 20 something years, he went up to the biggest dude, 7 foot tall, big fat black dude, punched him in the face and got his ass kicked. Right. My
You
dad's
don't say
client.
that.
Well, because he got his ass kicked, he spent almost like the next year in like separate in a safe area. Like, cause he was injured, he broken bones, he was so fucked up. Like they couldn't
Yeah.
let him go out in the general yard. And he told my dad that was part of his plan.
Yeah. Ever seen what is it? It's got Martin Lawrence in it. So, there's some
My
movie
plan,
where
dude, if I was ever in the slammer, I'd be the first one to like start licking my hand like I'm a cat and talking to myself. I'd make
Yeah,
everybody
you're
think I'm
crazy.
retarded. You know what I'm saying? It'd be real easy for me to fool them.
Oh, that's from a movie too, where the guy totally does something while he's eating to make himself look like he's totally fucked in the head. They leave
Yep.
him alone.
Yep.
it was National Security. This one with that guy on the right.
Oh yes, dude.
The
That's
guy on
a
the right
good
goes to
one.
jail, and he goes in the shoe. He gets out. He's like, "How long has it been?" He's like 2 months. He's got like an 8-month sentence. He just clocks the guard.
Right.
So they put him back in the shoe because like
Call
if he
me
went out
back.
into the yard, they were gonna kick his ass.
Right.
He's like, "How long? 3 more months." And he shut
Tony
the
got to
door
run.
behind him
Max
like he
profits
went
on the
in.
nights. And Tony, get the fuck out of here, bro. Get the fuck out of here, Tony. Should we do our duck race, everybody? Is everybody's name on the list for the giveaway? We got a
Yeah,
shit ton of
let's get
names
outta
today.
Got a meeting later with the fine folks in the BSC.
Yeah, final meeting of the week. Black Shirt Club Friday meeting.
You guys didn't want to talk about the Bills getting beat last night? I just
No,
saw
we
that
need to
this
talk
morning.
about the Bills getting that BTA, dude. Who the fuck is the Texans quarterback, dude?
Oh yeah, it was Mills, right?
Yeah, who is
Yeah,
Patty Mills
I didn't even know
out
that.
here, dude?
Forgot about that. Stroud's got a concussion. That sucks. Then that's even
Oh,
tough. I mean, no one thinks the Bills has a great defense, so they just always say Josh Allen's really good. So I
Right.
guess Mills could tear up that defense, but Josh Allen should still be able to score more than that guy can.
No, 0 TDs,
Right.
2 picks. See you later.
Yep. There goes that
And
MVP.
6 sacks. I think he got sacked more last night than the entire season.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
All right, duck
Run it.
race, 10 seconds. Big
The
shout out to
snowflake.
Top One Futures. Top One Futures is the reason we get to do this duck race. They give away free accounts to our followers every single week. And right now, cue the banner, Evan. Top One Futures 57.5% off sale is officially started for Black Friday. They have a big announcement coming later today / Monday, so stay tuned for that. But you can get the accounts on sale now. So thank you to them for doing this. We do it every Friday just for our ASFX TV subscribers. If you want to subscribe to ASFX TV, click the link in my bio, click the link in Evan's bio, Randy's bio. That's how you can get signed up with us for streams all week next week.
Did you see?
Andrew, with
Andy-
the comeback, dude. That was
Yeah,
sick.
like out of nowhere, the snorkel.
Andrew Morehouse. Andrew, if you're here, I'm going to put my email in our ASFX TV chat. Please shoot me an email, and I will make sure that you get your free account. Thanks to Top One Futures. Don't thank me. Thank Top One Futures. Oh, I like this now. I like this.
Speaking of Top One Futures, in Austin, we're talking about 150K accounts. They're $400 right now. 150K
Oh my
instant
God,
funded
that's
account.
cheap.
That's fucking wild.
That's so cheap. Benjamin said, can I trade stocks on the prop firms? No, only futures with this firm. Some firms offer it, but not Top One Futures. And if you're going to buy a crypto challenge this weekend because crypto's sliding and you want to trade it with me, Breakout Prop is the sponsor of the podcast. And I have a podcast with the CEO of Breakout. well, founder, CEO, whatever he is. The main man himself, Trader Main, coming on the podcast tomorrow morning. They hooked us up with a discount code too. Oh, I like this short, boys. I'm sorry. I got to do it.
Where the hell did I put my markup? Did I not send in the BSC chat? What channel did
No.
I put it in?
Who knows?
I don't see it anymore. It's somewhere. Oh, well.
Let's take a quick 30-second break, boys. Quick 30 seconds with me.
Yeah.
Boot camp tickets are on sale as well, everybody. We're making a big keynote speaker announcement December 4th. So you have 2 weeks. Nah, not even. You have a week until I raise ticket prices. So if you can be there, it's in Tampa, May. It's a 2-day event. There's a link at the bottom of the screen. Check it out. We'd love to have you. We will sell out, so do not wait. Ticket prices are going up, and we're already half full. Randy, you like the shorts off the VWAP, bro? I think I do.
I don't even want to say what I'm thinking.
My screen keeps
don't.
disappearing. Why does StreamYard hate me?
After we swept those 550s, the previous day value area low, I just keep the longs are stuck in my fucking head, man.
This is the kind of day though now, bro, where this, if it takes New York VWAP and goes higher, I wouldn't be surprised. That's why I'm not like jumping into this right now. You know what I mean? Now, if we can play around it here and then turn and start to come back down off it, I'll probably have to take that. Right on opening range.
Ev just popped in to show us his trade and then jams. Fucking
yeah,
guy.
basically. All right, I'm gonna go, Randy. Green light. Let's rock. If it comes down off this VWAP, I'm gonna say there was my trade to pass the challenge. If I lose, I lose. I'm gonna lose. You're gonna lose trades, but this is a decent setup for me to do.
Let's get a nice move down. Let this thing just rip down. I'm on your side. Let's go.
And my screen's gone. I'm sorry it keeps doing that, everybody. It's annoying. It's like totally random, too. Yeah, this thing's got to stay on this side of the VWAP.
What is going to...
Yeah, I think I don't even need that much of a move down here.
What do you need for I got our screen split between comments.
I need $230, I think. So I need it to like 52.
Is it 52,500? Is it the one, this one, right? The ignites?
Yeah.
Oh, come on. Let's just get a massive dump right into your fucking TP. Let's go. I'm praying for you.
Oh, my
Praying
power
for you.
just flickered. It literally does not want me to get this payout, bro. This is crazy. My backup generator.
Oh, man. I can't handle this. It's too much.
We're back in. Oh, Lord. Let's get it.
Oh, he's back.
Let's get it. Had to make my shake. Boys got to eat. I don't have a wife around the house to go make it for me, boys.
Do you ever have Magic Spoon, Ev?
What is that?
Cereal.
I guess not.
It's like like a protein cereal, no carbs. It's so fucking good. And then you pair that with like a Fairlife, like zero fat milk. It's like 30 grams of protein and 300 calories in a bowl.
You like the fruity one?
250 calories.
Yep.
Oh, you name the flavor, they have it.
Yeah, what do you like? You like that fruity shit?
Well, when I first time I had it was like their version of Fruit Loops, which was really good. But I
got one contract off there, boys. Going break even. I'm not losing any trades. I'm just going to inch my way there. Got another one, actually. Just inching my way. 172, highest equity of the day so far. Let's go.
Fuck, I like how you're able to just see that and take some size off, man, versus trying to.
I
hold
don't
into
want to
it.
lose, Randy. I'm
No, I get it, and
don't
dude,
wanna
that's a really good trade,
You
and that's how you survive 12 rounds, right? I think
Yeah.
you need to have that mentality to survive 12 rounds. If not, you're just gonna get blown out of the water.
you don't want to lose, but do you want to win?
I don't know. The winning feels tapped out for me this week, bro. It's been a lot of winning. It gets heavy. Oh wait, I have two.
Well,
Look,
you're
see, it's
managing,
two,
you're
Randy.
managing
Randy,
those
look,
feelings very
Randy,
well.
two. It says two. It's gonna flip me into a short right now if I don't fix that. You see, top
How do
project
you
X
fix
out
it?
to fuck
You
you,
got-
bro. You have to
You-
take
then
it
you have
off
to-
and then go break even.
See, I haven't noticed that, but maybe I'm not fucking paying attention. I got to really be careful of
don't
that.
think
That's what I'm
it's-
saying. Everybody, pay attention. They changed
Yeah, I
that.
don't
That
know.
was not the way it used to be.
I don't normally piece out. That's probably why I don't even see it.
Right.
I'm normally just
Right.
full out.
Right.
Is that low the magic number? Another
No.
$80? No, you need
No, I'm probably not going to
130
get it on this
really.
trade. Okay. Inching my way, 172 on the equity curve now. I still like this to come lower. Is anyone sitting in a short here? I think I need to stop though. I'm being
Yeah.
I'm choking it too much. Like I don't normally manage you get
My
so close.
worst streaks have come from this of like move stops break even too soon. Of like I'm not even letting it breathe. Like fuck, doesn't even have a chance of winning. I'm not saying it's wrong.
You're
You're doing it in
you're
different
so
circumstances of protecting your
payout.
capital. Where
Right.
mine just like we're in 10 minis or 10 micros. Like I move 2 points. Okay, cool. Risk is off the table, but the reward is ginormous. That's a little bit different of a headspace. than what
Different of a
you're doing.
headspace for sure.
But just like, yeah, you choke them, you move south to break even, like you don't give it a fair shot. And it's just
But I don't want to lose, so it's
No,
tough.
I know. It's just tough to do that. You really need a lot of
Wait, getting
continuation,
payouts is tough? Is that what you're saying, dude? Getting payouts is tough?
this management type. But yes, that too.
Oh, it's gonna go.
You know, because like you could be right on direction, your price is gonna hold still, but like we're not as willing to sit through drawdown or lower high or slowing as we would if it was just another trade. And no one blames you.
Oh,
I'm at the highest equity of the day so far, everybody. 172 times 3. So we are
Something could also be said. It's tough. You're putting like
$150.
2 micros on, so you're getting like $40 a tick, or
Right.
you like push. Where like if you put your normal size on, you definitely would have gotten your 300 by now.
it's true.
That like you're sizing down, so now you need so much more move rather than just hitting with normal size. Take your little baby scalps like you did on Tuesday, like 2 candles, $300. But then that also opens you up to more loss. So is that the approach to go with?
No, not when you can win at a
Okay.
high clip like me. You know what I'm saying? If you win at a decent clip, you'd be all right. But here's where I'm at, everybody. 172. So I recovered yesterday's loss and some. I'm up 930 on the week. So it's actually a really good week. 150 away exactly from the payout.
Thinking Asia session Sunday. You come in on Monday stream and
Don't fucking
yeah.
tempt me. Don't fucking tempt me, Evan. I swear, you know, I was going to do it last night. And then I was like, no, because if I lose, I go on stream. Everyone's going to rip me up. Because why are you doing what doesn't work? You've been making money in New York. Why you do what doesn't work?
Or you
If
win
this
and we
is
don't
gonna-
get to see it.
If
know,
this
the more
comes
it's gonna
down,
be-
if this comes down in there, though, you'll say that was the easiest trade of the day. By far, this will be the
Yeah.
easiest trade of the day if this works. Stop at the
Evan,
high
he's
here.
coming. Sorry, go ahead.
No, I was just gonna say stop at the high, session high. It's a break, and we've traded this trade this week. This was the winning trade. Evan, you sold it down here. I think it was on Wednesday or Tuesday, and then you got in again here. This is the same
don't-
fucking setup, isn't it?
I don't recall that.
You're fucking right, bro. You do. Yes, you do.
Yeah, that was Tuesday, I think.
This one.
No, way earlier
No?
in the day than that. You scalped 2 shorts, so then I got in.
There.
Yeah, that you scalped those 2 shorts. I'm like, well, fuck, I gotta get in. There goes your screen.
Oh, dude, what the hell?
Yeah, looking at ES trying to hold New York, NQ still a little bit more below it. This is my entry on it earlier. But I would say, going back to my trade real quick, at this point, like I wasn't like in love with the longs. I was like, yeah, maybe Tanner's onto something. Like it's not just selling off in the 15-minute have been trying to hold bullish. I think after this lower low, I was like, yeah, longs are dead. And you guys kept saying it to yourselves of like, are we marrying the longs? I'm like, I think we are. So let me stop. Right. I mean,
Can we do a P&L check? We didn't do a P&L check. Everybody in the chat, P&L check. Let's go. Share your P&L if you took a trade. Let us know where you're at. If you're short right now, I'd like to know too. I wouldn't be mad at you.
Yeah, it's tough. Like this type of management, when you're so close, you're trying to time the market so perfectly, where it's like, yeah, this price probably will pay, but stops at break even to preserve capital for sure.
Look at
Make
that
it
close. How am
more
I not
difficult.
short on that close?
Well, you were short 10 minutes ago, and like normal rules, you would have still been short. You wouldn't move your stop there on any other
No.
day. So it's just
So do I
treating
put
it.
one micro on it and get in?
The fuck is one micro gonna do? You're still gonna
You're gonna be sitting in it.
you're gonna
Fucking
be up
till the
50
cows come
bucks.
home.
You're gonna get
One
50
micro
bucks.
protects the downside. You inch your way
Yeah.
to the payout, but it protects your downside.
How many inches are we
You
taking?
want to inch your way to the payout right now?
These
Like
inches
you
are
already
adding up
said
to,
to
like,
yourself, you're not.
50.
You're like.
I know I'm at
You're
170. I mean, I'm having a decent. I'm halfway. I got half of it today. I think this is. I mean, I just know my setups, bro. If this goes to lows, that's it. This is it. Like this is the time. Look at it.
That's what
Look
you
at
said
the
10
can.
minutes ago.
No, it is. This move off of New York VWAP, if it goes to the lows, is the move.
What does
Yes,
NQ
but you'll
look
get
like?
in now. It goes like this. Retest that entry price, another break even, and then still fall. Unless you're willing to just let it breathe. I don't hate this trade at all. It's beautiful.
I don't even think I can breathe right now. Like
It's
I'm so
beautiful.
mentally tapped out from yesterday and today. I
Yeah.
don't even feel like I can breathe.
There you,
Yeah.
But you're answering your own question.
Let me go do a line in the bathroom and I'll be right back and I'll feel better. Okay. Maybe I should do it on stream. Then I'll feel really good.
Like $200 you put on 20 micros, you're getting TP there.
Well, here's where I'm at, everybody, since we're doing P&L check. I'm up 172 on the 3 most important accounts. I am $250. No, excuse me, $150 from payout on 3 accounts. That'll be my second, third, and fourth payout of the month. I took one payout on the 6th. Also today, max profit on this account, now at equity highs. On my fuck around account, up $700. But you can see equity highs here. So hopefully next week, this thing just starts in the green and not at max loss. That'd be great. And then my other 3 are halfway to payout. So I'm in a really good spot. So I'm trying to be defensive to not fuck it up, Evan. But this setup, I mean,
know. I'm here
this
with
is
you.
going to sell. This setup is going to sell.
I'm here.
Oh, my screen's gone again.
It was never up that whole time.
Oh, that's annoying.
But yeah, I feel you. I mean,
See, I
kinda
just feel
look
like
out
this
for you.
setup to me goes to the lows often.
Yeah.
Here it is, everybody.
We
Sorry, I
have the
didn't mean
mental
to.
bandwidth to manage it like we often do.
Here you go, everybody.
That's all.
150 to pay out on these 3 accounts. Max profit on this account today. New equity highs up 730 in my fuck around account. Just going to try to not hit max loss on Monday, like I said. And then my 3 instant fundeds are halfway to pay out. So like just a really good spot. So I'm trying not to fuck it up. A lot of money out there.
Don't fuck it up. You ever see that guy on Instagram, the cooking guy? Don't fuck it up.
Yeah. Up 800 on breakout prop. Let's go, Sean, with the crypto boys. The crypto boys. I got my breakout prop pulled up here.
Yeah, why do you trade that? Fucking lock out the funded accounts and go trade the breakout shit, man. Go trade the crypto.
All right,
have
man.
some fun.
Okay. I will. Fuck it.
Yeah, have some fun. Enjoy your Friday. Go end it with the being up 175.
Do I still go do the line in the bathroom or we leave the line alone?
Fucking right, it's Friday.
Fucking
Yeah,
right,
man.
brother.
That's
It's
a,
Friday.
it's a no-brainer.
BSC meeting is postponed until further notice.
Austin just fucking comes through, puts his head through the screen.
Dude, here you go. Hype USD down 12%. Bitcoin's down 4%. XRP, Ethereum. Here's your crypto list right here. Down bad. Kind of small font though, isn't it?
Yeah.
You see my exit here. I exited Bitcoin yesterday at 88,200. We're at 83,000 now. Oh, this looks even better now to go to 40s, dude. This looks even better. It's that. That's the distraction today, Randy. This algo up here fucking with you. You take that away, you just now you can see 55.
You just see everything
income.
below, right?
Yeah,
I did
55
take it
income.
away. Yeah.
Yeah, Evan, you did take it away.
I
You can't
took it
even afford
away,
to
yeah.
buy Bookmap. There it is.
I traded structure and a VWAP, the king of all.
Evan, this is how I feel. Is anyone in this short here from 60 doing better than me? Randy, especially when you look at the 2 minutes, buddy. Look at this 2 minute hold and then that close right there on the 2 minute, 3 bars ago. Easy read to the 40s, bro. Easy read to the 40s. Fuck what you heard.
And I love that you're just looking at the 40s. You're not looking at 30s, 20s, 55, 10s. You know what I mean? Like you just I'm just looking at the lows, and I think that
Well, it's the even
a lot of
lows,
new
right? I'm
traders
not looking-
struggle with that, right? But a lot of new traders are looking for, the news 50, 50, 65, 33 before that news came in, like looking
Yeah.
down there to be like, oh, we're going to come sweep down here. We might, but it's like, do you want to be in it to find it, or do you want to just take your profits and fuck off?
No, chat's going to make money. Kai short, Bogdan short. Nice. Nice. Yeah, I would just say on that point, Randy, new traders will often take trades like this and then want this to go make new lows. Experienced traders will take trades like this and get out and manage the trade at the lows because you know how many times you've traded into that and it's bounced on you. And whether you get a break even or you get a full loss, you have to do something at the next level when you're a fucking scalper day trader like us. It's just experience teaches you that,
Yeah. And yesterday was a prime fucking example of taking the trade and getting out at the highs and not trying to look for that 6,600. And you don't know how many people I saw on social media that just got fucking smoked on that long, like smoked, like held into it thinking it was going to turn around, and it just fucking ripped through their stop. So
yeah, I mean that's what I did. I was in this trade for 3 minutes. I have it marked up to here, but this exit price is 76.
When I was marking the trade up, I made sure to even put in there, like, if Ev didn't say like the highs and like
he's talking about yesterday's trade, Evan, not this one.
I'm just saying even today I got out back at the low. I don't want to jump in short now and like need more low.
Right. So to the example of trade into the lows. Yes.
Yep. I want to trade somewhere we've already been. So like that's why I like the deep pullbacks. It's like, well, now we have all this room to go back to where we were. Where if I trade like this pullback and get short here, it's like that's the low. That's shit.
Here it comes. Oh, I'm gone.
Whoops.
So fucking gay today.
What keeps happening with your screen?
It's StreamYard in my screen. I don't know.
It's the market makers.
Into the lows here, everybody. Into the lows. So again, like if you just look at this, like we talk about when that New York VWAP gets pulled out of opening range low, that's the money. Because like remember yesterday, everybody, I showed you the trade from yesterday where I get out of this trade here on the retest here because this can leg higher. So I'm short here and then I close it here. That is the inverse of this. The inverse of that would be I was in the trade here, I get out of it here, and now it's coming back and putting me into drawdown, right? If you flip this, if I invert this, how do I invert this? Like this?
I forget.
There you go. Like that. If I invert that, you see what I'm saying? That's the inverse of this, where I get stuck in a short here, comes back to my entry. I get out of it here because it can do this. Is that making sense now, everybody? This could have done that, which is why I cut it. Today, I just didn't trade it. It's just on the inverse side of it. But you guys did. You guys are short. And if you're short, fucking take profit, please. You're in the 40s now. I told you 40s were coming. Take my calls. Take my levels, trade your trades.
Take it and go.
Yeah. Could be a bloody Friday. Like if all the buyers completely disappear.
Yeah. I mean, like you looked at overnight, it was just really rangy that you could definitely see that as a lower high forming up there to make the lower low.
Good wins, everybody in the chat. Chat, share the P&L on those shorts here. You should be doing something now. That would have been it. There was another win right there. All shorts today, though. At least you're good on that. Todd's up 517. Emil, I'm going to see you later for the first coaches meeting. Emil joined the Black Shirt Club. If anybody's interested.
Emil had some great markups in the Black Shirt Club.
Oh, he's already deep, bro. He set up his own thread. Like he set up his own thread. He didn't even need me to do it. Didn't even wait for me to do it.
But those are the people. That's the kind of
that's who we want
that are going to put in the work, right? You're going to see. Then you're going to see the results.
Yes. He sent his resume as soon as he got into the chat. He said, "Here's my background. Here's the foods I like. Here's what I hate." I'm like, "Dang, this guy's hungry. I love it." Making himself known. I'll have to say, "Hey, what's up?"
He's looking
to give a background. It's good. Very good.
I think we should wrap. I'm late for my 11 o'clock call.
That's rude.
Yeah. So, sorry, Blake. That's my boy. Guys, thanks for being on stream. Ev, thanks for popping in on the Friday, bro. Great trade. I know you're trying to chase me on these payouts, so it's about time you started
fucking. I that was rude. That thought I just had. I'm coming.
I'm fucking coming on you. I mean, coming for you.
Coming.
I mean, I'm coming. Yeah.
Don't let me update my own course because I get wicked.
That's when he goes. That's when he goes in. Everybody, if you're in this short though, you see bouncing off these lows right now in the last 2 minutes. That was the exit. It's not a coincidence. So take advantage, everybody. Black Friday sales now on for Top One Futures. Big announcement from Top One Futures is coming, and we got a lot of Black Friday shit coming for you next week. Biggest thing though, boot camp tickets are on sale and the price is going up. So if you're like Blake and you're in the South and it's easy to get to Florida, you're saving yourself some money to come and book your ticket now versus waiting till next week. Because when I raise the price, I'm not giving you any more discounts. So because I'm a Jew, remember? No discounts, dude. No discounts to valuable things. Come on. We'll see you Monday, everybody. ASFX TV. If you're watching on X on YouTube, link in my bio. Free month. Randy has it. Evan has it. Click the link, sign up, and we'll be back on Monday.
Enjoy
Thank
the
you,
weekend,
boys.
gang.
See you, boys.
Cheers.
That was a good stream.
Yeah. Actually, it's